This is a quick video on how to install the free version of Power BI, and I'm going to take you through various methods through which you can do it. Hi, my name is Manu from Climatrix Data Labs, and I'll quickly walk you through the various options available to us to do so. So when we talk about the various options available to us to install Power BI Desktop, you can think about these three methods. One is to install from the Microsoft Store. Other one is through the download section of the Microsoft website's download section, which we also call the download center. And finally, you can also use your work or professional credentials to download if you have one. So first of all, let's talk about the Microsoft Store option. So if you are using a Windows machine, you can very easily go to your Microsoft Store app, which would be on your machine, and just type Power BI there. And once you do that, your Power BI app will come up here and you can install this app from this install button. Method number 2 is to use the download section or the download center of Microsoft website. This is the Microsoft website. If you go here, you will land up at this page, and then if you scroll down, there is a download center available over here. Just click this link, download center, and then from here you will get the following categories option. You click on the office icon over here, and then once you click here, you will get the following options. So the options would be like this, and if you go to this option, which in my case is option number 6, it points to Microsoft Power BI Desktop, and from there, if you select a preferred language and then click download button, you will get the option to download either the 64-bit option or the 32-bit option, which you can very easily check depending on your bit type, which in my case is 64. Check this and then click next, and then once you do that, it will start downloading your Power BI Desktop. I have already downloaded one before this video started, and that is in my downloads section, which is this Power BI Desktop x64 setup exe file. If you click here, it will start the installation on your machine, and you will get Power BI Desktop downloaded on your system. And finally, the last option, which is using a work or professional credential, which specifically applies for students or professionals who have a email ID linked to their institute or to their organization. You can very easily just go to rather just do a Google, right, and just Google on Power BI download, right, and once you do that, you will get the very first option, downloads Microsoft Power BI, and you will land up at this page. You can either go for a licensed version if you want to purchase, or most likely if you're interested for a free or a trial version, go for the try free version. And over here you will be asked to enter your email ID. Now if you put up your personal email ID, this will not move further because it will say that you need to enter your work email ID. So what you do is you have to enter your work email ID, which in my case is something like this, and then once you do that, if your official ID is linked to the Microsoft ecosystem, because see, in this case it says if you're a Microsoft customer, then depending on your internal administrator's settings, you would either have access to various things, and from there you can download after signing in with using your official credential. So these are the options available to download your Microsoft Power BI desktop from the Microsoft website. So I hope you like this video. If you need any support or help, you can always write to us at support@climatics.com, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.